Good morning, one and all. I am Hemant Yadav, Head Department of Pharmacy at BITS Pilani campus. Our department is one of the pioneering pharmacy departments in India, established by Professor M. S. Shaw in 1950. This year, we are celebrating our Platinum Jubilee, that is 70th year. As part of the celebrations, we are hosting a series of conferences, though we wanted to host those on campus. However, due to the outbreak of coronavirus pandemic, we could not do that. But it has not stopped us, and we are having virtual conferences. We are organizing 3 conferences. First in the series, the International Virtual Conference on Computer-Aided Drug Design, which we hosted from October 30 to 31st, 2020. Second is the International Virtual Conference on Drug Discovery and Delivery, which we are hosting today and tomorrow. Third, we are planning in the third or last week of November on regulatory aspects. We shall be circulating the brochure soon. Because of pandemic, most of the scientific activities have come to standstill. In these conferences, our aim is to shake us all up and revive our commitment to science and humanity. Therefore, we have kept the registrations for these conferences open, and we have requested eminent speakers to give insights on conference topics. We are grateful to our Vice Chancellor, Professor Sobhik Bhattacharya, and Director, Professor S.K. Barai, who have encouraged us to conduct these conferences. We have got eminent speakers from all the branches of drug discovery and delivery. We all know that drug discovery and delivery is an amalgamation of various fields, including synthetic and natural product chemistry, pharmaceutical analysis, molecular biology, biotechnology, pharmacology, and novel drug delivery. So we are fortunate that we have got speakers who are representing all these areas. We are grateful to our speakers who have kindly consented to give this talk. We also thank you all for showing interest in the conference and registering in huge numbers. Although BITS Pilani is known to everyone, we would be playing a short video about BITS now for all of you.
Why do you think I sent you to BITS Pilani? He said. I said, you sent me there to study, Pa. He said, no, I sent you there to learn about life. Any situation, any challenge, a BITSian can handle it. It's magic.
The key is that you should achieve the GPA that is inside you. That BITS graduate comes in all flavors. BITS is about achieving your full potential, becoming a well-rounded leader.
I realized that the education I got at BITS was more complete.
I think that's how college life should be. One lived 100%. But this you learn to balance.
This is BITS Pilani.
It's magic.
I was an average student in BITS. Attendance is voluntary. If you feel like, you go to a class. If you don't feel like, you don't go to a class. People are allowed to do pretty much what they want, what they should do.
Leaders. potential leaders. These extracurricular activities imbibe some amount of leadership skills in you.
No attendance, no distractions, no quotas. This is BITS Pilani.
It produces guys who can take on multinationals. It makes a man out of them.
This is BITS Pilani.
It's magic.
We are fortunate to have our director, Professor S.K. Barai, with us to address the gathering. Professor Barai is the director of BITS Pilani campus. He is professor of civil engineering at IIT Kharagpur, currently on leave to BITS Pilani. Professor Barai has been the Dean Undergraduate Studies at IIT Kharagpur, specializing in structural engineering. He obtained his PhD from the IISc Bangalore in 1995. He completed his bachelor's and master's in civil engineering from MS University of Baroda. He was a postdoctoral fellow at the Department of Solid Mechanics, Materials and Structures, Tel Aviv University. He was also Erskine Visiting Fellow at University of Canterbury, Christchurch, and a Boys Cast Fellow at Carnegie Mellon University. He was also a visiting scientist at National University of Singapore. He has published over 220 articles, 220 articles in leading journals and conferences, 3 books published by Springer, and has co-edited a conference proceedings also published by Springer. Professor Barai has served in various administrative positions at IIT Kharagpur. He played an important role as chairman or vice chairman of GATE for 4 years. He was involved in the pioneering work of complete online examination. He also served as the chairman for the Career Development Center at IIT Kharagpur and was instrumental in achieving an impressive record-breaking success for student placements during his tenure. As professor in charge of intellectual property rights and industrial relations, he contributed immensely towards the rare feat of filing 100 patents in 100 days at IIT Kharagpur. He served as NPTEL Discipline Coordinator for Civil Engineering. Professor Barai is the recipient of 11 CIDC Vishwakarma Award 2019 for his achievements as an academician. Now I request Professor Barai to please address the gathering.
Thank you, Professor Jadhav. Quite an elaborate introduction. It's when I look at the event in front of them, over this achievement falls flat actually. So anyway, so very good morning to all of you. It's wonderful to be present during this inaugural function of the International Virtual Conference on Drug Discovery and Delivery. As Professor Jadhav talked about the pharmacy department and the various activity, we are ranked in NIRF rank number 6. We have been in top 10 leading institutes in the pharmacy section. Various programs we offer at the bachelor's level and the master's level. In terms of the various activities which is actually part of the BITS Pilani, where it enjoys the strong collaboration with the bio and chemistry, chemical, and the other engineering allied department. I'm very happy that the Department of Pharmacy has taken a lead to have these series of this international virtual conferences. The first one was last week, and this is the second one, which is happening on drug discovery and delivery. I can say very proudly that the BITS Pilani provides excellent ecosystems, not only from conceptualizations to the implementations, and also to take it up to the next level of having the innovations, incubations, and finally the entrepreneurship part of it. And this is where actually the BITS Pilani has been forthcoming. From the earlier video of the BITS Pilani, it must be very quite clear that quite a successful people from the institute. We have almost like 60,000 plus strong alumni all over the world. And this is something which are our brand ambassador in a true sense. Many of our people are leading people in the world of pharmacy as well. I'm a civil engineer, and about as a civil engineering, I try to look at, and my areas of research is structural health monitoring. And here you are, people from pharmacy, who actually look after the health of the individual and health of the people. So in a structural health monitoring, when we say that there are 4 stages. One is that whether that in the system there is a damage or not. If it is a damage is there, which location the damage is there, and what is the severity of that damage. And finally, we try to find out what kind of the remedial measures should be there so that we can fix that problem. Okay, here we are now. The pandemic has come. Everybody has been taken away like a tsunami, you can say, and everybody. So now this is a tight deadline, and these are the times when we know the criticality of it. We need to have the solution very quickly, and that is where everybody is like looking up to and trying to see which is the day when the vaccine is going to come. And that is where these scientific minds of the pharmaceutics department and all these people will have to come together, whether it's a computer simulation or the doing into the lab, the experiments, and then doing the testing on the trial, on the real life, and then taking it out and coming out with a generic kind of a solution. So that is something where something unusual thing happens. But there are other areas where very common things, but we need to make it cost-effective kind of the drugs. And that is where, again, the know-how of the various things which are important, and how do we really through various these new state-of-the-art tools which we can use it in the computing domain or in the physical experimental domain, where we have more and more insight in terms of the equipment and the instruments available, so that we can make cost-effective drugs. And that is where actually this particular conference makes a great relevance. I'm very, very glad that the Department of Pharmacy is taking forward this. And personally, I'm very happy to see the galaxy of people and speakers who are there from the academia, nationally, internationally recognized people from industry, internationally coming in there, R&D labs, R&D institutes who have been coming together, and they are kind of leading people in the area of this pharmacy, and where the particular drug discovery and delivery, which would, given this particular platform, would give the opportunity to all others to learn and kind of imbibe the good learning from all these leading speakers. Personally, I would like to thank, because it's my duty as a director of the campus, that it's my duty to acknowledge gratefully that all the speakers, I will name everyone: Professor A.K. Chakrabarti, Dr. Atul Jadhav, Professor Krishna Mohan Puluri, Professor Navnath Gawande, Professor Shyam S. Sharma, Professor Ram Mahato, Dr. Kalpesh Karunakaran, Dr. Santosh Rudrawar, Professor Harish Madhyastha, Professor Padma Devarajan, and Professor Amir Ali Popat, and Professor Shahda Lee. All these speakers who come from the top-notch universities and industries, and also the R&D institutes. And that is something which is remarkable. I'm very glad that all the speakers are here and going to share their knowledge with everyone. We at BITS Pilani are extremely open about any kind of a collaboration which you wish to have. additionally, as a director of a campus, I have been given a responsibility of a director in charge of international collaborations part. If we will be very happy to collaborate and with our colleagues in this institute, and any opportunity, feel free to reach out to us, and we will be more than happy. And I'm sure this will open up a new doors of the opportunities for all of us, where we'll know and we'll understand each other, and we'll get an opportunity to interact with all our keynote speakers. So I once again, I wish a great success for to this international virtual conference on drug discovery and delivery, and I'm sure it will be the great platform for all of you. So thank you very much for inviting me. It has been a wonderful being here. So thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Indeed, drug discovery has changed from initial areas where there was a series of random screenings done or serendipitous discoveries were done, and now because of technological tools, we employ novel tools, and the cost has been reduced, time has been reduced for the discovery. So thank you very much, sir, for your nice talk. So some people are writing for other information. Some people are writing to us that they are unable to join. So we are running the YouTube live session. The link has already been sent to all. So on YouTube, I can see a lot of people are joining. So if there is difficulty in joining here, you can always revert back to YouTube session. Department of Pharmacy has always been at the leadership in terms of academics and research in pharmaceutical field. Our alumni base speaks volumes about it. Department in past year, that is 2019, has published 52 research papers and 10 book chapters, received 10 new projects worth 1.5 crores, and filed 6 patent applications. Currently, department has 16 faculty members and 45 on-campus PhD students. Even pandemic has failed to stop us. This year, till September, we have received 16 sponsored research projects from government funding agencies as well as industry, have published 46 research papers in peer-reviewed journals, 10 book chapters, and have filed 2 patent applications. In addition, our faculty have delivered 22 invited talks, and 5 research scholars have submitted their PhD thesis. So to introduce more about ourselves, we'll play a small video about our department.
BITS Pilani is an oasis north of deserts of Rajasthan. It was established as Pathshala for the Birlas in 1901 and was given the status of deemed to be university in 1964. The Department of Pharmacy of BITS Pilani, established in 1950, is one of the early schools of pharmacy in India. It has been ranked 6th by NIRF in pharmacy category. The department offers on-campus B.Pharm, M.Pharm with specialization in pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry and pharmacology as well as PhD programs. Department also offers M.Tech and PhD programs for the working professionals of renowned pharmaceutical industries. We provide to students an exhaustive exposure to various practical aspects of research methodologies, instrumental techniques, courses in emerging areas, and industrial operations. Department has a vision to become a global center of excellence in pharmaceutical sciences and research. To achieve this vision, we have faculty members who have research bent of mind and expert in their own areas. Department has 3 thrust areas, namely pharmaceutics, pharmacology, and pharmaceutical chemistry.
So in pharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics, faculty members are actively focusing on the key areas involving the development of controlled dosage forms as well as novel drug delivery systems, including polymeric nanoparticles, solid lipid nanoparticles, polymer drug conjugates, and liposomes, to name a few. Further, our faculty members have expertise in pharmacokinetics and biodistribution studies, PK/PD modeling, and IVIVC. we have a dedicated industrial research laboratory that houses requisite facilities to further our research programs. These programs are sufficiently funded by the government as well as pharmaceutical industries. Herein equipment such as extruder spheronizer, multi-station mini press, rapid mixer granulator, spray dryer, etc. are available for solid dosage forms development. The facility for the advanced drug delivery systems includes high pressure homogenizer, high shear homogenizer, sonicators, etc. For the characterization of the developed formulations, we have the analytical equipments housed under one roof. To further enhance our analytical capabilities, a highly advanced UPLC triple quadrupole MSMS facility is established in the Industrial Research Laboratory. Further, a dedicated mammalian cell culture facility consisting of Class 2 Type A to LAFs, CO2 incubators, inverted fluorescent microscope has been established for the evaluation of the developed novel drug delivery systems. As a whole, our research is aimed to improve the efficacy and safety of the drug molecules by utilizing the new delivery strategies.
Faculty in the area of pharmacology are currently working on understanding the molecular mechanisms in the development of metabolic diseases and neurological disorders. To conduct a cutting-edge research, we have CPCA-approved Central Animal Facility. The facility houses animal like rat, mice, guinea pigs and rabbit. The facility is approved for breeding as well as housing the animal for research purpose. In addition, we have pharmacology research lab and cell culture facility for carrying out advanced research in the areas of preclinical pharmacokinetics, bioavailability studies, pharmacological screening of various synthetic and natural origin drugs. The pharmacology lab had sophisticated instruments such as autoanalyzer, two-chambered automated organ bath, laser Doppler, non-invasive blood pressure recorder, RT-PCR, electroconvulsometer, and other equipments which are used for the other experiments. The lab is upgraded with video documentation system for various animal behavioral studies. The facility is geared to take up various industry and government-sponsored projects in various preclinical areas.
In the pharmaceutical chemistry specialization, the main focus of research includes design, synthesis, and in vitro in vivo evaluation of the chemical entities against neurology and neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, rheumatoid arthritis, infectious diseases such as HIV and its allied opportunistic infections like tuberculosis, malaria, leishmaniasis, and other microbial fungal infections as well as cancer. We also have natural product research area. So in that, main focus of research includes synergy-guided extraction, isolation, purification, and evaluation against various metabolic disorders such as obesity, diabetes, etc. In order to perform the designing part, we also have a computer-aided drug design laboratory with the various advanced softwares such as molecular modeling software such as Schrodinger Glide, Biosolve IT, CSAR, StarDrop, VLife MDS, Autodoc Vina, Gromax, etc. In order to carry out the synthetic synthesis, extraction, and isolation related work, we have well-equipped, sophisticated, dedicated laboratories with facilities such as parallel synthesizer, flexible microwave synthesizer, rotary operator, etc. For the purpose of characterization, we also have HPLC, HPDLC, flash chromatography, NMR, LCMSMS, GCMSMS, etc. For in vitro evaluation, we have multimode spectrophotometer, and for in vivo evaluation, we will take the help of pharmacology faculties.
Central Analytical Lab at BITS Pilani houses several sophisticated instruments and caters to the need of various departments like pharmacy, biological sciences, chemistry, and physics. The list of equipment include high-performance liquid chromatography, electrophoresis, UV visible spectrophotometers, flash chromatography, and elemental analyzers.
Apart from the research facilities and labs in the department, the Institute has also been supporting us generously in our research endeavors by establishment of a sophisticated instrument facility. The objective of the facility is advancement of research in the Institute as well as in other nearby universities at very nominal charges. In the facility, we have several state-of-the-art high-end equipments including surface-enhanced Raman spectrometer with atomic force microscopy, gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, 256-core high computing computer cluster facility, field emission scanning electron microscope, NMR, confocal microscope, multi-parameter nanoparticle analyzer, and impedance analyzer, to name a few.
Department is actively involved in collaborating with national and international research organizations with pharmaceutical industries. Department is actively involved in industry-academia linkage to generate industrial relevant knowledge at affordable cost. Department has collaboration with various pharmaceutical industries such as Dr. Reddy's, Sun Pharma, Intas, Ipca Lab, Slayback Pharma, Colorcon, Imami, Lupin, and many more. The department has successfully transferred technologies to industries such as aceclofenac, control list tablet, which named as a brand name as Zerodol CR and Movan SR, to Ipca Lab. Also worked on liposomal drug delivery system for dopamine for the brain delivery and delivered and transferred to Torrent Research Center. Recently, department has also transferred one technology that is called InstaDerm for fast healing wound care product to the Elicon Medical Private Limited. Recently, Department of Pharmacy is involved in various startups that is facilitating to the students and faculty startup. One startup that is Innovate Healthcare and another is Nanobreed Innovation Private Limited that is founded by department's faculty members for the platform technology for the drug delivery with industrially feasible process.
Department of Pharmacy, BITS Pilani provides overall development and empowers students in all aspects. We have world-class curriculum and faculty. Our pharmacy programs are designed to give our students a balanced education with theory as well as practical knowledge. Our practice school program ensures that every student has spent over 7 months working in industry even before graduation. The program exposes them to real-life applications of their coursework and teaches them to work in collaborative environment. The practice school gives students the vital experience needed to adapt quickly to careers in industry. Thus, our department is a preferred destination for the companies for recruitment. Our pharmacy graduates are placed in reputed national and multinational companies. 85% of our students are successfully placed on campus and remaining out for higher education from India and abroad. Our major recruiters include Pfizer, Novartis, Dr. Reddy's, Cipla, Lupin, and many more.
Hi, I am Taraj Vyas, and at BITS Pilani, I am pursuing my Masters in Pharmacy with a specialization in pharmaceuticals. BITS has been a stepping stone to acquiring a lot of knowledge, which is not just limited to my specialization and course. The professors here have given me a new and fresh perspective about pharmacy. Here I have learned that learning cannot be limited. One of the things that I love about being a student at BITS is that quenching my thirst of knowledge always comes via long group discussions and practical experiments.
Hi, I'm Mitesh Bansali and I did my Masters in Pharmacy from BITS Pilani. The Department of Pharmacy at BITS Pilani is unique in the way that it teaches application before it teaches theory. And the thing that amused me the most were the question papers. Yes, the question papers. Because it truly assesses that how well can we apply our learning to the real world problems, and the never-ending revision of the courses ascertains our up-to-date understanding of the course. The labs at the Department of Pharmacy, they all work in a network, and that allows me not to limit my understanding and learning just to my courses. And the research lab at the Department of Pharmacy, equipped with all the high-tech equipment, welcomes all the curious minds on the campus, and that allows interactive learning. A well-established system of guides and mentors held by the Department of Pharmacy is exceptional in its ability to spark innovative research interest in our young minds. and developing technical proficiency is a target, and it is made sure that we achieve it. For that, the department often organizes all the necessary workshops and conferences, bringing the globe to us. A world in itself, BITS Pilani has something for everyone.
Hi there, my name is Sugandha Sabu. I am an alum of Department of Pharmacy, BITS Pilani. I am currently working as a formulation scientist at Merck, one of the innovative pharmaceutical companies in the US. BITS obviously had a very formative role to play in my career. I did my bachelor's in pharmacy from BITS Pilani, and thereafter, due to a very nice vertical transfer system, I was able to continue my studies at BITS with a master's degree specializing in pharmaceutics. During the last semester of my master's degree, I got an offer to pursue my master's thesis work at a lab in the US at University of New Mexico. Due to a very flexible BITS curriculum, I was able to avail that opportunity, which sort of changed the course of my career. After that, I moved to the States to pursue my PhD in Industrial and Physical Pharmacy department at Purdue University, and thereafter landed my dream role of becoming a formulation scientist in a pharmaceutical R&D of an innovator company. Looking back, I would say BITS was the best decision of my life, and I wouldn't have had it any other way, be it in terms of pure academics or overall development.
We at Department of Pharmacy offer a multifaceted curriculum and an overall skill set development to enable our students to achieve their goals and fulfill their ambitions. We are also open to collaborations and share our expertise. With a promise to deliver the best in us and to bring out the best in you, we welcome you all to our family, the Department of Pharmacy at BITS Pilani.